During the fall, we planned a ton of open house events for future students where students could learn more about King's College. We had students signed in from across Canada and from around the world, and they got to know more about our programs, our special association with Dalhousie University, our campus life, our student experiences here on campus, and all sorts of things that we're doing this year and have planned for next year. So those were great events. We had Dr. Neil Robertson there. He's the director of the foundation year program. We had Tim Curry also online. He's the director of the journalism school. Many of our current students were also available to help out during those events. So those were really special and a lot of fun. If you are feeling like, oh no, I missed it, I wasn't at open house, please don't worry. We are not slowing down. Even though those open houses are behind us, we still have a lot of fun events planned for future students. You can go to ukings.ca/future students to see the whole list of webinars and online events that we have coming up during the winter and spring. You can register for those events. You can watch recordings of past events on our YouTube channel. And you can also book a campus tour with us if you want. Our virtual campus tours happen twice every week. So there are lots of different ways to get in touch with us at King's. We look forward to getting to know you. So don't be shy, reach out. We can't wait to hear from you.